Alright guys, today we're going to be opening this, which, take a guess what this is. Open up this package. Came today in the mail. It comes with a couple of things inside. We've got some carburetor gaskets. Some carb gaskets. We've got a spark plug. We've got 2 fuel filters. We've got, if you have this saw, you know what this is for. This is the air filter for this chainsaw. We've got a brand new little primer bulb. Good for that. We've got this, which is a brand new model carburetor. So that must be some kind of different. This thing's different a little bit. A little different carb, but choke. You got choking when you give throttle, it'll release choke. I've never seen that before. It works for us. And then I have a bunch of fuel line. This is for 1999 Pusan. It is underneath the name of Craftsman, but it is a Pusan. Got some carb gaskets, carburetor, primer bulb here. Hopefully I can get all this installed. I'll make a video on that. Hope you like this, and I'll see you next time.